What did you say?
Of the bourgeois.
What is that?
It's my version of talking in front of the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bleh,
Bleh, bleh, bleh.
Yeah.
He looks like a chef about to go cook some.
You look like Remy from Ratatouille.
Aww.
No, actually you look like Chef Cousteau. Is anyone your chef? Manage. And I was in the kitchen at this point, so she was just like talking out loud. She's like, how are you going to manage when you're hungry over there? What you'll do? Take me with you. So I'm
Aww.
like, yeah. So I came out and I was like, what? She's like, take me with you, I'll come. I said, come live with me, Nambikapur.
You'll take her if it was actually a thing.
Why not?
Yeah.
I mean, I would worry about her, and she would be like a Timiki, a human Timiki.
Yeah.
Like, I'd worry about it.
That reminds me, he's locked in the kitchen.
Oh no! He didn't care. So, yeah. So when I go to the field, I'll worry, but then I just relax.
Yeah.
But you can just take grandma. You want to take grandpa also with you.
I will have.
How cute, yeah, but that would be.
Yeah.
Take them for a couple months. It'll be a nice break for them.
I want to.
You can live with them. They'll show. You can
And
show
then
them around.
Your dad will worry, so he will turn up.
Yeah.
And then your mom and Ronak will have the best time ever. They'll be like, fuck off. Party.
Yeah, Ron. I don't see them. I don't see them
Very
leaving.
on point.
Ronak wine car तू भाई. तुझे रूम में तो लपट.
Ew.
No, he's not doing it, he's just smelling it.
He did. He brushed his mouth against the shoe. See?
So let him do it. I removed it today only from the box. Please.
I mean, I would do it even if it was my shoe, not like that.
Oh.
But like, why is he doing it too? See, that's so dumb he is.
ए इकडे ना.
My baby boy.
He's not talking to you because you locked him outside. He's turned his butt to you.
Yeah.
काहीच नाही केलं.
She Tibiki. Who's troubling you? Why is troubling you, Timiki? Everyone's bullying you. They're bullying you.
I want you.
Come here. Why they're bullying you?
I want you so
He's a big cow, right?
He is. He is.
Normally just either and him. Then he will follow her chupchap.
No,
With him.
he's not cow,
Yeah.
Why you're like that with them, Bablu? My baby. I can't carry you because I'm wearing black now. So I will not carry you.
That's it.
Yes, now he has to go to other people to get carried.
I'll tell you, baby.
You become my friend now.
Yeah. Oh my god, yesterday he did not.
So it would be like a proper scene where you bring a couple of your friends and a couple of her friends and then you all just chill together. and
Yeah, it would be such a
That
nice.
would be so cool. And yours was on a Monday, no? So we could have done Saturday.
Saturday, Sunday,
Exactly.
Monday.
Just chill. It would be very nice.
Share.
Enjoyed ourselves. Had a very nice time. Ordered food. If we had felt like cooking, we would have done like massive pancake marathons where everything. 3 people are at the kitchen or just making.
Yeah. Like those those houses where every room something else is happening.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, so who do you think would come? 3 of us, Naman,
Amit, her best friend.
Amit,
Mosam. Other Naman.
Jen, Subodh.
Subodh, yeah, if he was here.
Oh, he's not. Wait.
What
Alia,
about
I would
those
love to
two
invite
girls?
Alia. I wanted to invite Alia.
Yeah.
Okay.
It
Alia.
would be nice. Who else? Shilpa. Shilpa would be nice.
Shilpa.
Of course.
Just have like Suchin. I want
Yeah.
Suchin to be there. I want Palak to be there. That'd be fun.
Yeah.
What drama, right?
Yeah.
Isha.
All ex crushes in one room.
And Naman and Harsha in another room.
You know when I told Harshal about when I told Suchin about Naman, this
Yeah.
girl Naman, he was like, oh, so Harshal got over his short hair this thing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I was so surprised he remembered.
remembered, that's what I
Yeah,
thought as well.
because I didn't think of that.
Yeah, yeah. It would be nice if we like fun chilling session and everybody chills and everybody smokes up and You have like Chinese for dinner or whatever, some
Yeah.
random ass stuff, and everybody's
And we'd go to the waterfall.
yeah, and we're just having like nice conversation, and it's rain, and it's
We'd go swimming somewhere.
And sitting out on the lawn.
Yeah.
I'm feeling so bad now.
किसने सोचा ये करने को?
ये लड़की
Yeah, if you go.
क्यों सोचा तूने इसके बारे में? चल नाचते हैं यार.
चल
क्यों नहीं?
हाउस पार्टी करेंगे.
हाँ ये हाउस में.
ऐसे भी gin है अपने पास.
At least
Yeah, we are planning to drink the gin with the 2 liter of Coke that we have.
It has reduced drastically because I've been taking 6 for it for the last time. So one
You
thing
know,
I had no shame in
I was in my bed and I heard psst. So I was like, I know this guy's gone into it, but I did not mind at all because it's 2 liters and I need some help
Ice cream
finishing
still
it.
left from our
Yeah, there is dark chocolate ice
Why are
cream.
you shoving that in my
Please
face?
have the dark.
we ordered.
Oh, I don't have ice,
I
but
have to show you guys this video. Which
It's a
I
very
will-
nice kurta.
Yeah, isn't it?
yeah, I love it.
Very nice. I would not wear it because it was little tight.
Oh, it's love it. It's
IF has
love it.
helped me so much. I went to Pune and ate so much food and still managed to lose another kilo. I ate
Wow.
so much food and I wasn't even fasting when I was there.
Wow.
Okay, but can I wanted to ask you, even when you texted on the group, recently I read that not eating breakfast
Yeah.
causes heart disease.
I mean, in
And
my
Baapre.
case, my father will
More
cause heart disease for me. So
Oh fuck.
no, I don't think that's it. I mean,
And
I don't
makes
know.
you more prone to heart attacks and things.
I have no idea.
I'm
But-
sure even like wine and all maybe. Not wine, but like I don't know,
But they
alcohol
said
and stuff.
that, like, because all my life I've been intermittent fasting. So I
Baap
just
re.
said, "Shit,
Who did?
खाने लगे खाना पड़ेगा."
She doesn't eat na
Oh,
breakfast.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Maybe yaar. Or maybe they're just trying to sell you cereal.
Maybe. Who knows at this point? Chal, let's go dance.
Let's go dance.
I'll show you.
Yum yum. I go. Na 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 na. We did 2 TikTok videos. My God.
What?
We did 2 TikTok videos. How did we manage?
You are very averse to TikTok. I'm not as averse to you as.
No, I mean, how did we manage to dance that much?
Yeah.
Energy and memorizing the choreography.
I'm astounded.
You must be practicing though, na?
No.
At
I only
home.
practice.
Aww. उसमें क्या practice करने का
I
आता?
only know that.
You know, there's another one. That Jason Derulo one that came out last year.
Take me dancing.
No, that. Oh no, I'll think. Hey, listen, play Savage Love. Oh, that.
Oh,
Ten, 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 yeah.
I know where to find that.
We'll do that, okay?
Yeah.
You should play that with Florina Vipuri Konachi because it's very typical same dance.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So.
Vipuri Konachi. Vipuri Konachi.
Is it Konkani or Marathi?
Konkan.
Oh.
It's a Goan song.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. How you all know.
It's not. It's about the Bapus being a drunkard.
No, it's
And about it's about the mother being something.
Kali. Because she's Gori. That's why we'll find out. Hold on.
Have her food.
Yeah, I was not awkward with Aishwarya today. I was good.
Yeah, you were good today.
Does anyone want my leg piece?
Oh no, I also have a leg piece.
Oh.
She was a nice pieces.
Yeah.
So sweet. She is.
You finally got what?
Better at inhaling.
Array.
My bestie and your
Your
bestie.
Chapter by the fire.
Yeah, that's me and him talking.
What?
My bestie and
Your
your
bestie
bestie.
fucking up to each
Pew 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 pew. Make
But we
the
let it
streets
go to
go
Chhatrapati.
higher.
Yeah,
For sure.
Yes, please.
मेरे को तो नवंबर दिसंबर टाइम में जाने का
Oh yeah.
Vicky, what are you doing?
So the last thing, do you have Ola sweat?
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it in your cupboard?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. I don't give it. It is my idea. What you doing, my baby? Why are you running after things? Go and sleep quietly.
Hello, guys. What's up?
I'm cleaning up. You go and sleep.
Help. No, she has to wake up before me.
Don't worry.
We got him at such a nice time. I feel bad. I think everybody came down because I was nicely dozing off to sleep.
I think it was time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you like the painting?
Mm-hmm. I can't express how much I liked it. I know, unexpected.
Can you do it?
You always say that little point like
Please eat this double. Is there any way this will fit in the fridge? Unlikely.
I can put it in something else.
It's not me actually. They are. Although I don't know what.
Hey now, hey now, hey now.
You have clips or rubber bands here?
Yeah, here. Rubber bands are here. You go sleep.
इतने मोरल में शो गया है मोरल चाहिए
Yeah. Let's close this door, okay? Because of the AC. Timothy, what are you doing there, Baba? Poor thing. It's like you all took me from that room to that room and I locked me in that room and you all went in that.
Hi Harshal, how are you feeling?
Really good. You know what
My
we'll tell?
bestie and your bestie.
Sit down by the fire. We'll make these
Flames go higher. Hey now,
Hey now.
hey now.
Hey now.
I go, ane. Nagana piya anane. Nagana pirale.
Chiki chiki chiki.
Harshal's DJing.
Slim Shady.
This is our ashtray. Matka kulfi.
Oh.
Your bestie and your bestie.
Adit Mami is calling.
She wasn't even subtle about it. Just like,
Okay.
is it a 1 kg carrot cake?
No, it's a half kg.
It's a big ass box.
Yeah.
Go eat!
Happy birthday!
Thank you. Oh, such a nice message.
Happiest birthday, Eid!
Wish you the
Wish
best
you the
in
best.
real and real.
Oh, I want to take a picture.
Wish you the best.
Give
in
me.
real and real.
So cute. Okay.
Before you have your carrots. Look, your carrot colored knife also. Show us your carrot colored knife.
Oh, yay. Okay. Why the fan is off?
I don't know. Do you have
Candles?
candles?
Candles. It's okay.
It's okay. No blowing on candles. No. First you have to. No.
First
Okay. First you cut.
Then we'll get.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eden. Happy birthday to you. You have to do second one. May God bless you.
May God bless you. May God bless dear Eden. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Go feed her.
Okay.
Poof.
Are you
Be
still-
gone.
Thank you.
How is
Thank you so much.
I'm too full, I can't.
I didn't feed you guys.
Mm.
Thank you,
Mm.
Nattu. Thank you, Ashal.
Now we all just make noises.
Didn't live up to your expectations.
Yes.
Does it
Thank
taste
you
like
so
carrot?
much.
Thanks, Mouse.
Thanks,
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay.
Yay. I'll just wipe my hand now. One second.
Nattu, what's your expression, please?
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
From the two of us.
Harsha's extended hand.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Woo! What is it? What could
It's
it
the
be?
second half as usual, but
Oh, it's fine. But you have to complete it before you go.
yeah, both.
Hey, it's okay. We'll send it to
Actually, I
Chhattisgarh
brought it to paint it
tomorrow.
while I'm
Aww.
home tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, just rip it out. Yeah. Is Poofy gone playing in anyone's head?
Obviously. Now that you mentioned it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, she's got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the necklace. And those beads
thank you.
move.
This one also?
Yeah.
Okay. Love it. Thank you. Is that supposed to be Timmy?
Yeah, it's a cat.
Oh, it's so cute. You made this wire thing.
Yeah. I hope it stays straight.
Okay. Oi. Oi.
Okay, you open that first.
Under construction. It's okay.
Thank you, Nattu.
No, this is fine only.
Sure.
Yeah, I just kept getting caught in my hair.
Yeah.
Oh,
What is this?
Okay.
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 Yeah. Okay, read that first.
Okay. Natasha, Thank you for commissioning me. I'm keeping a little.
Actually, don't read.
Don't read that first. Obviously, what is that horrible logic?
Open this.
Just open the damn thing. She doesn't know what she's talking about it.
Itna jaldi she saw also.
Exactly.
Yeah, मैं commission वाला boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is me.
Yes, it is you.
Now you can.
Great
see it.
spot.
This is so cute, guys. Oh fuck, this is beautiful. And it's a screenshot from a video.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the best picture. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, now see. This is from the painter.
Okay. I'm keeping a little amount from your payment to feed stray dogs.
That is why I kept the note for you.
Hope whoever you gifted to liked the painting as much.
That's okay. But
Aw, this is so beautiful, guys. She's so good at this.
yeah. And the
She's got
stray
it
dogs
perfect. Dude, that looks exactly like us.
And that looks so much like Timiki.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't
So
look like a
him.
random cat. It looks like him.
So, Timmy has been like a big part of your last year with COVID and lockdown, etc. and etc.
Yeah.
And you're into painting so much
Yeah. Oh
these
my
days.
God.
So,
This is beautiful, guys. I love it so much.
yay.
Look at him. He just looks so cute.
He looks so
sleeping.
happy.
Yeah. And peaceful. And she's got the kiss part perfectly.
Yeah,
on my
I
nose
could not
ring.
get over that.
It's so
And the
beautiful.
baby hairs.
Yeah, she's got that. It looks like me. It's not like a
Yeah.
random girl.
I showed my granny and she was like, "Is that Eden?" I was like, "Yeah,
It's
yay,
perfect.
my artist." And we came across her completely randomly. Like she was on my Explore,
Oh.
and she had a reel saying, "I'm like open to portraits and pet paintings." So then we texted her. We're like, "Can you do this for us, please, for my friend's birthday?" And she dropped everything because we were like, we need it by the 2nd. I think we contacted her 10-12 days ago.
Huh.
And we were like, please, we need it by the 2nd. She was like, okay, I'll ask my other customers if they don't mind.
Aw, so sweet of
She's
her.
really sweet.
I'll thank her also.
I'll give you
Oh
her
God, I have to
handle.
message Shruti.
Yeah.
I'll message her tomorrow.
Who?
Shruti.
It's okay. I sent her ice
No,
cream.
but I'll message
Oh,
her.
so this is also
Thank you.
that is, I kept that packaging because, okay, so there's this shop called Jai Hind, which is like a stationery shop in my area.
Huh.
And he's an old man who runs it, okay?
Okay.
And he's been there for years, like donkey's years. He recognizes Ronak and me ever since we were kids.
Huh.
And then he packed it in this random,
Courier bag.
repurposed
Yeah.
courier thing. I was just like, oh, I'm not gonna open it.
Oh, it's easels.
And
And brushes.
that's actually some weird new thing that people have been using to paint.
Oh.
It's like the spot thing,
Right.
or even the spreading thing.
Oh, thank you guys so much.
And this is just spread. I loved it.
Wow, I'm gonna figure out so many new ways of doing this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
He was all so one of that is mine. I didn't want to open the.
Sorry.
First thing she did was one of them is mine.
I didn't want to open the staples.
Thank you. It's very cute. Very sweet.
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
As was the case with Nattu's birthday, this is all.
Arey, no,
Nattu's
no.
work. This is all her effort. I've been the lucky
I-
friend who's had two people do the hard work for each other.
But he's been like consulting, like, yeah, sure, okay, go for it.
Thank you guys so much. You have to
Yay!
paint this and give me, okay?
Happy, yeah. I actually have a lot of ideas for both of your MCL gifts
Oh.
for the painting.
Okay.
So,
For the painting means?
as in for the painting of it. You can wear it now.
Okay. Yeah, just put it for me because it keeps getting stuck in my.
Moldable wire hai. He's like, golden hai, golden. I was so irritated. I was like, sun to lo pehle. Then he started walking. He was like, dikha hai na, dikha hai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I love it.
This is actually not M-Seal. This is
Oh.
the Fevicryl clay,
Okay.
which
Love
is
it.
like the polymer clay.
Thank.
Two photos I was thinking of. This was one, and another was, it's in my hair, but I don't know whether it's in your video on your channel or it's in a video
I'll tell you, tell me.
you sent to us. There's a photo where I think you're lying down. It's a landscape frame,
Huh.
and he's in front of you, and it's only his eyes and your eyes. Something like that. And I was like, "Abhi
Is
kidhar
it the one that Naman took when you were both over there? But that was too recent.
No.
No, it
How
was
long
just
that?
her taking the. It was
Oh,
like
she only
them,
took it.
yeah, them at home kind of thing. I was like, kidhar dhundu. Then I saw some of your COVID vlogs, but it wasn't
How
there.
cute.
And I was like, and I told her, can you give me like a day or two to finalize
Send your
the
photo.
picture?
Yeah.
And I told him I'm thinking of sending this photo. He was like, okay, go for it. Then I told him there's another photo I want to send. He's like, okay. And then it got like thoda late. And then I was like, oh my god, I'm so sorry for the delay. Can I send it to you? And she's like, yeah, it's fine.
So
don't worry."
accommodating, so sweet of her.
She was very sweet. And then I was like, okay, finalize this one. Do you need like a screenshot without the little YouTube
Ha.
icons on the side? She's like, no, it's fine. That won't hamper. I said, okay, then this one's final.
I love it so much.
Yeah. So
This is
yeah,
just-
multiple factors. The whole painting thing and thing.
Yeah, exactly. That's why it's so like, oh, that was from a video and you
Yeah.
screenshotted it and she painted it and then this, lol. So
love
this will
it.
be this is my progress picture. This is me in 2021. This is where I hope to get to in 2022. So
I like how this is becoming like a painting corner. So
I know. Aishwarya's gonna be like, oh my god, this girl and her cat is everywhere. I'm gonna take some back into my room. So, but oh my god.
Ronak was like, whoa, damn, nice one.
Yeah.
And he's like, but why didn't you just get Timmy? And I was like, but that will just be a cat. Like,
True. Not our bond.
yeah.
This is the
And,
perfect
another
picture.
element was that in all your vlogs ever since Timothy has made an appearance in the house, you're always kissing his head.
Yeah. Yeah, he must be so like irritated with that part of his body. Nikalo.
It's like anyone who's watching your vlogs will be like, it's a very obvious affection
Yeah.
type thing for you. And every time you do it, I'm just like, stop it.
Yeah. Why? I want to kiss my cat.
I think about all the fur that's going in your mouth.
And all the saliva on his head. And he can't even clean it. Bichara just roams around with my saliva on his head.
And that sound in his ear.
Oh, my baby, I wish I could share this with him, but he's an animal.
I wish
And he'll not appreciate
he
it.
recognized himself.
I know.
Oh my god, that's me.
Oh, this is lovely. It's the best present ever.
Yay.
Can I see your Instagram profile? Is that okay?
Yeah. Is my stomach aching also?
Yeah, can't say anything.
Are you having a nice birthday? It's
Yes.
a very wholesome
A really nice birthday.
Did you have a nice birthday?
I did.
Aw,
Very
we have
homely birthday.
26 friends. That's not very nice to think about. So.
Listen, please have the ice cream.
Sure, wait, me this. Love it.